If you are having trouble connecting your GameSir G7 Pro to your Xbox Series X, you've come to the right place because in today's video, we are going to show you the exact step-by-step setup so you can get your controller working in just a few minutes. Before we start, make sure you have everything you need. A GameSir G7 Pro controller, a USB Type-C cable, usually included in the box, Xbox Series X console, a fully charged or powered controller. It's important to know that the GameSir G7 Pro works on Xbox Series X mainly through wired connection. And of course, you need to power off or prepare your Xbox. So turn on your Xbox Series X normally and then go to your home screen. Make sure no other controller is actively connected. It's optional, but it helps. And then after that, you need to connect the USB cable. Now here's the main step. Take your USB Type-C cable, plug the USB-C end into your GameSir G7 Pro, plug the USB-A end into your Xbox Series X USB port. Now, if it doesn't detect, try the back of the USB ports of the Xbox for more stable connection. And of course, do not forget to power on the controller. Press the Xbox button on the GameSir G7 Pro and wait a few seconds. If successful, the Xbox button light becomes solid, it's not blinking, and your Xbox will automatically detect the controller. After that, you need to confirm the connection. Press any button like A, B, X, or Y and navigate your Xbox dashboard. If everything works, your controller is now fully connected. Now, it's important to note that Xbox Series X does not support Bluetooth for this controller. Wireless modes like Bluetooth 2.4G are for PC and mobile only, and the Xbox connection is equivalent to wired only so that it can be plug and play. Now, if your controller is not connecting, number one is change the USB port. You might want to try a different USB port on the Xbox, preferably the back ports. You need to check also the cable. Make sure you are using a data-capable USB cable, not a charging-only cable. And then reconnect properly, unplug USB, restart Xbox, plug controller back in, and press the Xbox button again. And then after that, it's going to be the firmware update, which is optional but helpful. Connect the controller to PC, open GameSir Nexus software, and update firmware if available. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to connect GameSir G7 Pro to Xbox Series X. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.